How to replace the puddle light on a 2018 Toyota CHR. This one here is a fairly easy project. What you want to do is take the glass off. Now what you want to do, pry from the bottom and go from the top. You do have motor piece up on the top corner that you want to be careful with. So move the mirror all the way up. Grab from underneath and pull on it. Try to get in to the edge of it on the top if you can. Off it goes. You got this little fella. It goes right here where that white stuff is at. You'll want to go ahead and disconnect your heating elements and your blind spot if it is equipped. After you get the mirror disconnected, you'll have two tabs. One over here, and one over here. Don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but you want to push those two tabs inwards, and this piece here will fall out. Then you have another tab here, and a tab over here you want to pull outwards, and this lamp assembly will come out. Now to put the new sensor back in place, you just got to get it lined up with the hole. You get your little camera looking thing here. You just want to put it right there. Get the clips lined up into place. And you want to snap it together. But before you do that, I would recommend plugging this in first. Then you can go ahead, after you get this camera piece plugged in, go and push it in all the way. Therefore these tabs will hold the connector in. Go ahead and plug it in just like so. Then go ahead and put your bezel piece onto the lens. Therefore those two tabs will hold this connector into place. And after you get that back into place, all you gotta do, get it lined up, push it until it locks into place. When you are ready to go ahead and put the mirror back together, make sure the white tab piece goes there. Don't forget your heating element. And don't forget your blind spot detection if it is equipped. So that's how you replace the puddle light on a CHR. Thanks for watching.